Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. Have you ever thought about living at the end of a private lane with outstanding views over farmland towards Bodmin Moor? Accommodating many members of your family with room for horses? Then we've got it just here. Let's go and explore this fantastic property at Codes Green. So welcome inside Half Acre. The property dates back to the 1800s and has a rich history, but surprisingly, it's had very few owners. Our clients have been here for some 37 years. And you'll see as we walk through what they've been able to do to bring this lovely character home to life and into the modern era. We're in the sitting room here, which is a lovely dual aspect space. You'll see we've got this wonderful wood-burning stove on my left, which gives the space a lovely cosy feel during the winter months. And supporting the living space, we've got this additional reception room here, which has a lovely feel. And I'm a real big fan of the view from the front, looking out on a beautiful, colourful front garden. The property has a wealth of character features throughout, including slate floors, wooden internal doors, fireplaces and deep recesses. On the first floor there are 4 bedrooms. There's also a lovely spacious family bathroom WC with a freestanding bath and a separate shower cubicle. The dining room, you can see, is a good size, dual aspect with a convenient door out to the side garden. In addition, has some useful understairs storage as well. Back in 2002, our clients added a substantial 2-storey, 2-bedroom annexe, which is positioned at the rear of the property and is very comfortable with open plan lounge, kitchen and dining space, with stairs ascending up to 2 bedrooms and a shower room. The annex is independently heated and is able to connect to the property internally, but also has its own outside access with great wealth of opportunity for a buyer to explore the possibilities of deriving income through bed and breakfast or even holiday let accommodation. The gardens are a major feature of the home and have been lovingly developed by the owners over the last 37 years. There's an abundance of colour, and the views from here where I'm sat now on this wonderful terrace, you're able to enjoy a cup of tea, taking in the beautiful aspect of the surrounding farmland. And in the distance we also have Bodmin Moor with its tors and Carradon Hill, which is all very accessible from here, on foot and by horseback. The majority of garden lies on this side of the property. And how about this? What about this wisteria? It's just absolutely beautiful. A few steps from the property is the field, which in all extends to about 2.88 acres. When that's added to the ground with the gardens, the whole plot in its entirety is approximately 3 acres. And if you're looking for storage, agricultural storage or mechanical storage, how about this? We've got a huge workshop. As you can see, room for a whole range of different collection of vehicles, boats, caravans. There's a first floor area with a studio, an office, a tool store and also a WC. And on the side of the building we have 3 loose boxes, a hay shelter area, and also a wooden shed housing the tack and feed. So if we summarise, we've got a 4-bedroom home, lots of character, fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-storey annex, large gardens, just under 3 acres of land, huge building, all at the end of a lane. If this is for you and the lifestyle appeals, please contact Fine & Country today on 01566 771919. Thank you.